Hi everyone, my name is Celine and this is Daniel. We recently went to Maui and these are the top 5 things that you must see or do when in Maui. Maui is known for its crystal clear water. Spending time at the beach, snorkeling, and especially swimming with the sea turtles is an absolute must. Sea turtles are a protected species in Maui. These magical creatures come and greet you while snorkeling or swimming in the ocean. Please don't ever pet them and enjoy their beauty from a distance. And of course, you need to see the Maui Butterfly Farm. This is the only public butterfly farm in Hawaii. I highly recommend this educational experience to anyone who wants to learn more about butterflies, specifically the life cycle of monarchs. On this day, we got to hand feed the monarch butterflies, the citrus swallowtail butterflies, the Gulf fritillary butterflies, and we also got to handle and learn more about the praying mantis. I am in awe here because of the sheer size of the citrus swallowtail. It's by far the biggest butterfly I have ever seen. After the butterfly farm, we spent some time in Lahaina and went to see this banyan tree, the biggest tree in the United States. The road to Hana is all about the journey and not the destination. There are many stops along the way. Research and pick a few that interest you, get an early start, and enjoy the beautiful Hawaiian jungle. Our first stop was the Twin Falls, a short 10-minute hike through the bamboo forest. Our next stop was the Garden of Eden, Botanical Gardens, and Arboretum. Plan to take at least 30 minutes here. Enjoy the enchanted forest where you will see Hawaii's famous rainbow eucalyptus trees. There are many lookout points where you can enjoy views of the North Shore and also take selfies. Make sure to stop and enjoy the waterfalls on the road to Hana.
Isn't that a pretty waterfall?
Beautiful, beautiful. Our final stop on the road to Hana was Kahunu Garden Temple. The Kahunu Garden is an ethno-botanical garden, a garden that tells of the relationships between people and the plants they use in their culture. I really enjoyed learning about the ancient peoples, how they got to Hawaii, what plants they used, why they used them. This garden was so educational and I highly recommend it. This luau at Wailea Beach Resort was highly recommended and it was amazing. We enjoyed a beautiful sunset view right on the ocean, amazing storytelling, fantastic entertainment, open bar, and of course, great food, especially the poke. Poke was so amazing.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mahalo and for Aloha.
Finally, you must absolutely have to go to Roy's. It's the best seafood fine dining restaurant on Maui. Thank you so much for joining us on our Maui adventure. Please let us know in the comments below, what is your favorite thing to see or do in Maui? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to follow our adventures. I also make gardening and holistic home vlogs. Mahalo.